Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about three visual illusions: the Muller-Lyer illusion, the Ponzo illusion, and the Ames-Room illusion. I'm going to talk about the illusions, their histories, why they are so effective, why I picked them, and the applications to the real world. First, let's begin with the Muller-Lyer illusion. About the illusion. The Muller-Lyer illusion consists of two lines of equal length, each with opposite side arrowheads at their ends. Despite being equal in length, one line appears longer than the other due to the orientation of the arrowheads. Its story. The illusion was first described by Franz Muller-Lyer, a German sociologist, in 1889. Why it is so effective? This illusion exploits the brain's tendency to judge length based on contextual visual cues, such as the direction of arrows. The arrowheads create a perception of depth, suggesting one line is farther away, thereby influencing our perception of its length. Why I pick it? I find the Muller-Lyer illusion intriguing because it demonstrates how our perception can be influenced by seemingly minor visual cues. It's a classical example that challenges our assumption of straightforward visual processing. Its application to the real world. Understanding the Muller-Lyer illusion is crucial in fields like architecture and design. Architects need to consider how visual elements like perspectives and angles can affect perceptions of size and distance in their designs. It also highlights the importance of visual context in advertising and packaging design. Second, the Ponzo illusion. About the illusion. The Ponzo illusion involves two identical lines placed over a background of converging lines, often depicted as railway tracks. The line placed higher on the converging background appears longer than the one placed lower. Its story. Mario Ponzo, an Italian psychologist, introduced this illusion in 1913. Why it is so effective? The Ponzo illusion exploits our brain's depth perception cues. Objects placed in converging lines are perceived as farther away and therefore larger, influencing our judgment of their size. Why I pick it? I'm fascinated by how the Ponzo illusion demonstrates the role of depth perception in visual processing. It challenges our understanding of how we perceive size and distance. Its application to the real world. This illusion has implications for road and transportation design, where the placement of markings and signs can affect drivers' perception of distance and speed. It also influences urban planning and architectural design, where perspective and depth cues can be utilized to alter perceptions of scale. The last one is Ames-Room illusion. About the illusion. The Ames-Room is a distorted room that creates an optical illusion. When viewed from a specific angle through a peephole, it appears cubic in shape, but in reality, it's a trapezoid. This illusion makes people appear to grow or shrink as they move across the room. Its story. The Ames room was devised by American ophthalmologist Adelbert Ames Jr. in 1946. Why it is so effective? The Ames room manipulates depth perception cues like relative size and perspective. By carefully designing the angles and dimensions of the room, it creates a convincing illusion of normality from one specific viewpoint. Why I picked it? The Ames room is intriguing because it demonstrates how our brain constructs reality based on visual cues. It challenges our understanding of spatial perception in a tangible, physical way. Its application to the real world, although primarily used in psychological experiments and entertainment, the principles behind the Ames room can inspire new approach to perspective in virtual reality and augmented reality applications. It also emphasizes the importance of understanding visual context and perspective in fields like photography and cinematography. These three visual illusions highlight the fascinating ways our brains interpret visual information and the practical implications in various fields of study and application. Thank you to understand. Have a nice day.